Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a Prizepicks account without ID. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Prizepicks on your website, and then what you need to do is check to see if the Prizepicks is available in your region or not. It is available in 31 states including Washington DC and Canada. So if you are not in one of these regions, you won't be able to use Prizepicks. Now for the question, if you can make Prizepicks accounts without using ID, then unfortunately the answer is no, because as being an 18+ game or application, the Prizepicks requires your ID in order to verify your account. So to complete the process, you will need to verify with your government issue ID such as driver license or a passport, and this is all for the security of your account as well as for the code of conduct. So there is no specific option available to make a Prizepicks account without ID, so you'll need to use your ID in order to make the Prizepicks account as being an 18+ game. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.